no reaction. Hilarious.
Yes, Geek, you're important too. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Sit down.
Hello. Oh, wait. Let's start that again. Me and this interesting bit of hair. It is Thursday. It's Christmas Eve. Yippee. I have some stuff to do. I have a vlog to edit. Tuesday's vlog, I think it is. Or Monday's vlog. I don't remember. And I have a podcast to edit. So I'm gonna just have my breakfast and then I'm gonna get straight into it. I'm tired. I've been sleeping in and it's not making me any less tired. In other exciting news, we took the turkey out of the freezer yesterday. It is currently here defrosting in the fridge. It takes about 3 days to defrost in the fridge, so we thought we would start on time. Later today we are gonna go for a little wander, I think. We'll see if I'll take you along. But first, back to my computer, to the editing.
There's a Christmas Eve tradition in progress here. What are we doing?
We're doing traditional English breakfast with black pudding here.
There's the black pudding, which I will not be eating.
Oh, you've got to try a little bit.
Okay, I'll try a little bit. What else have we got? We got bacon, scrambled egg, beans. We're gonna have
Hash browns.
There's hash browns, there's sausages. I'm making traditional cup of tea.
Oh yeah, gotta be done.
this. You need to wear this.
No.
Jupiter's grumpy because I need him to do laundry in a minute. Don't have to carry everything. Zephyr can carry something. Good little elves. It's literally exploding with presents. That's a lot. And Santa hasn't even been yet. I washed my hair yesterday and it's back to its wavy, messy self. I don't know what was wrong with it last week. So it's still Christmas Eve. I am going to do a little bit of 5 minutes of art. So basically we had brunch. We did loads of stuff that I don't remember, just like domestic house things, stuffy things. What did we do, Zeph? Oh, we painted your nails. Show your nails. Yes. There they are. Very kind of like gothic Christmas. Don't you think? Yeah.
Yes.
Then we did laundry. We've been putting laundry away. Oh, I did a little bit of dinner prep for tomorrow. I made cheese sauce for the cauliflower cheese for tomorrow. And then tonight we're going to do this Dutch tradition called gourmet, which is really fun, and I'll show you. But for now, I'm gonna do a little bit of art, like literally 5 minutes before preparing dinner. Santa's bin. Looks like he enjoyed his mince pie. I mean, it was a Heston mince pie after all. And this is the sight that greets me in the kitchen.
What's going on, babe?
I'm putting the turkey on there. It's Christmas.
It is
Go on.
Christmas, and I have a metal slinky, and I hope this works. Yeah, it does.
You're the master. That's so cool.
She's so comfortable. You like ketchup? Would you like mayonnaise?
Christmas, I have just done loads of cooking. I think we've been overly ambitious, especially given the size of our oven. But it's going well, it's going well. I always find Christmas a bit difficult, I guess. It's got so many expectations, and it always just kind of, I don't know. I'm recording this vlog. I'm showing, you know, happy family type of stuff. But I also kind of want to acknowledge that Christmas can be difficult. That, for me at least, the feeling that I have at Christmas doesn't necessarily match up to the reality. I have like a very deep feeling of disappointment, and it's not reflected in the life around me, but it's still real inside. And so I just wanted to share that, because I didn't want to be the person who is making a romanticized Christmas vlog without also kind of saying what it's also like. So there we go. I am enjoying myself though. I've got some really nice presents. I will show them to you later. I enjoy cooking very much. I don't enjoy cooking a turkey. That is not my thing. I could totally skip the turkey, but I like doing all the kind of peripheral little kind of things around it. So I did a thing with chestnuts and bacon, and like I was adding some nuts to it, and I'm just in my element when I'm doing stuff like that. I have got some of the cooking stuff from the turkey, and I'm gonna make a gravy with that. What else? I made cauliflower cheese. I'm excited about that. I have one single parsnip because nobody else wants parsnip except me. I'm gonna go and unwrap another present. Apparently it's a left field present that I will not expect. Oh, and one more thing I'm excited about, which is stuffing. It's my first time in my life buying Paxo stuffing and making it. Super authentic. That's a very big present.
My cookie.
What are you putting on right now?
I'm putting on makeup.
That's silver.
Yeah, you like it?
Yes.
The turkey's coming! Amazing! Look, it's a massive bird for like 2 adults and 2 kids. Alright. Excited, you? Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Cheers!
This is BBC One on Christmas Day. Now, at 3 o'clock, Her Majesty the Queen. This year especially, I understand why. It began, and it was a source of great happiness.
One of my patrons actually guessed this and wished this for me. I don't know if you were in league with Andrew, but this is what I just unwrapped as my last present. Ta-da! Are you in the big box, Teak? Oh, can I film her in the big box in her natural habitat? There she is. She is found.
We have
That obviously belongs to her. Is that your box, Teak? Is that your box? It's Boxing Day. I have crispy minis. I'm very excited.
Also today, James
Hello. I am making what looks like a chicken soup, except it's turkey soup, because we're going to be eating turkey until February 2022, because the turkey was so big. I've been enjoying reading my new book, Drawing on the Right Side of the Brain. It's very good. It's actually like, it's got some stuff in it that, like, unbeknownst to me, are things that I have been saying kind of, or like discovered myself. Like I'm often saying things like, you know, you want to switch off your left brain, you want to like access, you know, the creativity, and you want to like distract your logical brain, that kind of thing. So it's really cool to read this in this book, and it's, you know, like the geek in me is super into all the stuff in this book, because it isn't just a book that is about how to draw. It goes into about how to see and how to kind of like work with your brain and stuff. It's really cool. Anyway, I actually wanted to say something else about Christmas, like what I was saying yesterday about finding it hard. I've been thinking about the fact that I want to practice Christmas. I realize I'm not great at Christmas, but I had a really good time yesterday. It was just so lovely. I want to learn, and learn sounds a bit too didactic. It's more like, you know, the way that little babies, they learn to trust. They learn to feel loved through experience. And that is kind of how I want to learn to do Christmas in my own little family, so that kind of the feelings that you would associate with Christmas of like loving togetherness and that kind of stuff, so that those feelings can grow. So that's kind of what I meant by like I want to learn to do Christmas. He helps. Anyway, I wanted to say thanks for sticking with me through these vlogs that have become more and more home video-esque, which was kind of to be expected doing Vlogmas, that they would involve a lot of just my regular life that isn't necessarily art. But I have plans for 2022 for my YouTube channel, for the type of vlogs and videos that I want to be making. So it's going to be a little bit less home video and hopefully a bit more art. Also, that is going to tie in, like my plans for next year are going to tie in with my word for the year, for which I want to make a separate video. But I thought it'd be fun if you want to have a little guess as to what my word of the year is going to be. You can leave your guess in the comments, and then if anybody gets it right, or if multiple people get it right, I will randomly pick one winner, and send you something nice in the mail, like some stickers and stuff. So if you want to, you know, little impromptu giveaway, guess what you think my word of the year is going to be, leave it below, and you will see soon in hopefully my next video what that's going to be. Yeah, I think that was all I wanted to say. Stop! Stuffing's ready. It's going to be turkey soup with stuffing. I think that is the end of this vlog, so thanks very much for watching. I hope you had a really nice Christmas. If you celebrate Christmas, I wish you all the best for 2022, and I look forward to what's gonna happen. You're about to photobomb me, aren't you?
Bye-bye!
Bye! If you just like move your hand towards the lens, and then like you can close out the vlog. That wasn't really quite like close enough.